to identify the axis of symmetry, vertex and y-intercept of the parabola from the quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. My axis of symmetry is actually x equals to negative b over 2a. This negative b over 2a is my axis of symmetry, which is the x value. This is my b and this is my a. Look, we already know this negative b over 2a. This is the same thing what we have done in the previous examples. Then your axis of symmetry will be x equals to negative b over 2a. Y is 0 here. X equals to negative b over 2a. But in case if you have x equals to ay squared plus by plus c, then your axis of symmetry will be y equals to negative b over 2a. My vertex will be negative b over 2a comma f of x. We already know this formula for the vertex, which we have done in the vertex form of the quadratic equation. This is the axis of symmetry term. Negative b over 2 is my axis of symmetry, which is my x value. After simplification, I will put this x equals to negative b over 2a in this equation to get f of x, which is my y value actually. We already know that the formula for the vertex in vertex form of the quadratic equation is negative b over 2a comma f of x. This negative b over 2a is actually the axis of symmetry, which is x. When I simplify this term, at the end whatever value I get, I'm gonna substitute for x in this equation to get the value of f of x. F of x is actually my y. At the end I will get both x and y values. That will be the vertex points on the graph. My y-intercept is c here. This is my y-intercept. Let's solve one example, which is 3x squared plus 4x plus 2. My axis of symmetry is x equals to negative 4 over 2 times 3, which equals to negative 2 over 3. This 4 is my b and this 3 is my a. Just substitute for x in this equation here. When you simplify the equation, you will get at the end negative 2. This negative 2 is my f of x, which is my y value. Y-intercept is plus 2. This 2 is my y-intercept. Why we call it y-intercept? Because it is the point where the graph intercepts the y-axis. That's why it is called y-intercept.